How to fix MX Player app not working problem on your iPhone. So first of all, if your MX Player is running on your background, you'll have to remove it. So in order to remove it, simply swipe up from your home page just like this. Then here you can see MX video is currently running. All you need to do is simply swipe up and remove it from running. Then you can simply open the application and see if it's working or not. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then another thing is to try to check for any update. For that, get to your App Store. After opening your App Store, simply tap on the search icon right here. Then we'll get to the search page. From here, tap on the search bar, start typing MX Player. So after searching for it, here you can see this is the application, tap on it. If there are any kind of update requirement, there will be the option of update. All you need to do is tap on it, and within few seconds, your application will successfully be up to date. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then try to offload the application. For that, you'll need to open your settings. After opening your settings, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see General, tap on it, then tap on iPhone Storage. From here, what you're going to do is keep scrolling until you find MX Player. Tap on Show All in order to see all of your applications and look for MX Player in here. Here you can see right here, tap on it. Then what you're going to do is tap on Offload App, tap on Offload App one more time. And within few seconds, here you can see we have successfully offloaded the application. In order to reinstall it, tap on Reinstall App, and you'll have to wait for a few minutes. And within few minutes, here you can see we have successfully reinstalled the application. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure your MX Player will start working. But if it's still not working, then what you can do is try to restart your iPhone. For that, simply click on your volume up button, volume down button, and keep pressing on your power on button until you see Apple logo. Then you can release the button and wait for a few minutes. And after that, your phone will successfully be restarted. So after doing all of these process, I'm sure that your application will start working. But if it's still the issue, then it might be the issue with MX Player on its own. The server might be down or something like that. So try to wait for 1 or 2 hours. And after 1 or 2 hours, you can open your application and see if it's working or not. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.